Hello everyone, today we are going to be study a very important topic, that is set. So the first question is, what is set? What is set? So the answer is set is when of objects. Set is well-defined collection of object. As one thing is mentioned, well-defined collections. Well-defined means the element of collection should not be changed person to person. Well defined means the element of collection should not be changed person to person. Let us take an example. Top 3 actors in Bollywood. Suppose the first person is Mohan, and the second person is Sohan. Both are answering on this question. So Mohan has answered Ajay, Amit, Amitabh, John. Right? Now the Sohan has answered Akshay, Amir, Salman. Clear? So as you can see here, the question is top 3 actors in Bollywood. Mohan answered Ajay, Amitabh, John, where Sohan answered Akshay, Amir and Salman Khan. So the element of collection has been changed, but here is one thing is written in definition, well-defined collection, and the well-defined means what? Element of the collection should not be changed person to person. As you can see here, the element of collection has been changed. So that is why we can say that this is not a set. Clear? Because the element of collection has been changed. Right? Now, let us see another example. The question is odd natural number less than 10. So Mohan is answering of this question 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and Sohan is also answering this question 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. As you can see here, the element of Mohan collections, the element of Sohan's collection is same. So we can say that this is set. Why? The element of person to person has been not changed. That's why. Clear? Let us see one more example. Let us see one more example. The question is vowels in alphabet. So the Mohan is answer A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 alphabets A, E, I, O, U. Clear? So Mohan's answer is this, and the Sohan's answer is also same A, E, I, O, U. So the element of both collection is same. So that's why we can say that this is a set. Clear? Now let us understand the next concept, next point. How to represent the set? The second question is how to represent the set. How to represent the set? The set. There are 2 ways to represent the set. The first is set build-up form, and the second is tabular form, or you can say that roster form. Roster form. Tabular form and roster form. Both are same. Let us see the example. Even number less than 10. Clear? So the answer of this statement will be what? We have to write at first any name of that set and use middle curly bracket and answer this question. 2, 4, 6, 8. So set building form. First is set building form. Second is set building form. Second is tabular or roster form. Tabular or roster form. Why we can say this statement set building form? Because without this statement we can't write this. Right? We can't write this. So that's why this is called set building form. Because through this statement we build a roster form, change it to the roster form. So that's why without knowing this we can't change it in this form. So that's why these types of statement will be called set building form, and when we will change into the number or any other, then that will be called tabular form or roster form. Clear? You can take another examples too. You can take another example. Take next example. Odd natural number. Less than 10. So the answer will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Done. This is called set building form example, and this is called tabular form. Clear? Now, let us move on to the next concept. This is very basic concept and very easy concept. Now the next point is set representation. How to represent the set? Set representation. How to represent a set? The first is in set building form. How to represent set builder form. How to represent in the set builder form? So we have to use, at first we have to write any name of the set, right? A, B, C, and the number, the letter should be in the capital letter, and we have to use curly bracket and write here X. X is a collection of set, and we are defining the X. X is even number, even natural number. Less than 10, right? Okay, this is the way of representation in set building form. Second point, how to represent tabular form. Tabular form or roster form. Roster form. So we have to write here. A bracket, curly bracket, and then write the numbers. Answer of this question in the curly bracket. So just write here even number 2, 4, 6, 8, done. Clear? So in this way we can represent set. Clear? And always remember it, whenever you will represent a set, you have to use capital letter here, the name of the set. Letter, and the bracket should be there, curly bracket, clear? And this is called element. This is called element. This is called element. Clear? I just write all these things for understanding. You have no need to write there while solving the question. Clear? Now, try to move on to some questions, how to solve the questions related to this chapter. Now, let us solve some questions related to this chapter exercise 1.1 set. So the first question is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter 0. So if you will ask to me the month of the in the year, just name of the month start from J letter. So that will be June, July. And if you will asked to you the questions of this question, then your answer will be same. So that's why you can say that the element of the set will be same in this condition. So that's why this is called set. So it's true, right? Now see the next question. The collection of 10 most talented writer in India. Talented writer, if you will ask to me that what most talented writer, it may be different from your opinion, from your knowledge. So this will be, so that's why we can say that this statement is not a set. So false. Next, the collection of all boys in your class. Collection of all boys, if I talk to you in my class, I know all the boys, name of the boys, obviously, and if you're reading in my class, then you will also know the name of the boys and also know all the boys. So that's why we can say that the member of the element of the class will be same as per my knowledge and your knowledge too. So that's why you can say that this is a set. So it's a true. Now next, the collection of all even integer. The collection of all even integer. Integer means what? Even is even number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. If you ask to me, my answer will be this, and if I will be asked to you, then your answer will be also same. So that's why we can say that the element of this set will be same, not change person to person. That's why this is also called a set. So true. Now the last question, the collection of all dangerous animal in the world. Now think about it, this question, the collection of all dangerous animals. All dangerous animal, as per my knowledge, according to me, it will be different according to your knowledge. So that's why we can say that this is also changed. The element of collection has been changed as per your knowledge and my knowledge. So that's why you can say that this is not a set. It's a false. Clear? So these types of questions are present in your examinations. Clear? So I hope you understand very well, and we will learn the more questions and more answers in detail in the next class. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next class. Thank you.